can you find the length x? In triangle ABC, it is A, B, C. This angle is 80 degrees. This angle is 40 plus 10. That will be 50 degrees. So this angle, it will be 180 degrees minus 80 degrees minus 50 degrees. That will be 50 degrees. This angle is 50 degrees. That means it is an isosceles triangle and BC is 10. And now from point A, if we make a perpendicular on BC, suppose this point is M, then ABC is an isosceles triangle. That means BM and CM, they will be equal, and BC is 10, so BM will be 5 and CM will be 5. And also angle BAC is 80 degrees, so this angle, it will be 40 degrees, and this angle, it will be 40 degrees. And now from point A, if we make a perpendicular on BP, suppose this point is Q, then this angle, it will be 10 degrees plus 50 degrees, that will be 60 degrees. So this angle, it will be 90 degrees minus 60 degrees, that will be 30 degrees. And this angle, it will be 40 degrees minus 30 degrees, that will be 10 degrees. And in triangle ABQ and triangle CAM, AB is equal to CA because ABC is an isosceles triangle, and angle ABQ is equal to angle CAM, that is 40 degrees, and angle BAQ is equal to angle ACM, that is 50 degrees. So triangle ABQ, it will be congruent to triangle CAM. Hence AQ, it will be equal to CM, and CM is 5, so AQ, it will be also 5. And now In triangle APQ, it is APQ. This angle is 90 degrees. This angle is 30 degrees. AQ is 5. AP is X. So cos 30 degrees, it will be AQ over AP, and cos 30 degrees is root 3 divided by 2, and AQ is 5, AP is X. So X, it will be 5 times 2 divided by root 3, that will be 10 divided by root 3,